Hi, my name is Junaid. I'm representing Alum Garments and Jas Apparels in this show. I came here to actually look at all the new automation machines that were here. Firstly, because there is a shortage in labor, and of course to increase the efficiency in the production of our unit. I actually found a lot of very useful machines, especially in the way of slowing down the number of processes that are needed to do like denim trousers and cargo shorts. And as far as handling woven fabrics, I've heard and found some very good cutting machines that are going to be very useful further down the line. I got to know about this just from following ICCB, and I saw that they were holding this expo for 4 days. I do think it's very useful because, as you can see, there aren't really a lot of learning platforms or platforms out there that focus solely on garments machines. So when you come here, like all the machines here are useful to me. For any garments manufacturer, this is very useful, and it's very hard to find all these companies in one place other than an expo.